Hello guys. We are here at the Light Hotel Penang. So we're actually checking out their buffet delights. They have beautiful buffet promotions for you. So they have like the classic Malaysian cuisine, the Harvest Canton to Nyonya, and of course today is a Friday. So we have the weekend roasted feast, which is available on Fridays to Saturdays. So it's dinner 6 to 9:30 p.m. Price at 138 plus for adults and 95 plus for senior as well as for children. Alright guys, so I just bring you in, show you, let's see what they actually have. Excite your palate, dine with us. Alright, so the first stop here we have the sushi moriawase. So you got all your sushi. Oh, yum. So of course all these beautiful delights are here at Spice Brasserie. So it's a halal certified dining area as well as, oh look at that, A for cleanliness. So here we have some of the highlights. So this is the glass noodle with prawns. And then next up we got the daging masak kicap. Here we got the crab curry. Oh look at that, yum. And here we got the sotong sambal. Alright, here of course you got your pasta station, as well as here we have the chicken shawarma. Okay, so let's just take a quick one, show you around. Let us show you around before the diners start eating. So here you have your seafood on ice. Oh, look at that. If you love seafood, you're gonna love this. And here you got, let's see, you got your cheese, your coconuts. Ooh, salmon. Here you can make your own Caesar salad, as well as they have all the mixed salads that are available, like the mixed fruit salad, chicken sausage salad, pumpkin salad, tomato salad, as well as kerabu mango. And here you got your fresh fruits. Next up here we got the Vietnamese chicken. Wow. And here we got the mussel with tomato basil sauce. And here we got the fish caper sauce. Next up, the rosemary lamb. Oh, this one looks so good. And here we got the vegetable gratin and the barbecue chicken. You got some papadum, you got some keropok ikan. Of course, you also have your, you can make your own salad here as well. You have your fresh greens, then spinning. Alright, of course, their main star, lamb. Kambing, got it. And here we have even more delicacies here. We got like the chicken biryani. Oh, look at that, yum. Here we have the lamb biryani, lamb masala. Next up we got the chicken varugo, and you got your ikan goreng, vegetable dalcha. Here we got the chicken tom yum soup. Let's see what's inside. Ah, look at that. And here we got the steamed basmati white rice, mixed vegetable with shrimp. And you got the mussel sambal, nyonya lala, the black pepper scallop, and the mapo tofu. So chef gonna be in action. Wow, look at that. look at that. Alright, so here we have your action station. We have your noodles. We got the Hokkien prawn mee, asam laksa, and here we got the Penang curry mee. Look at all the ingredients, the condiments for you to choose from. And then here we have, let's see, roti chana and char kway teow. Wow, roti chana and char kway teow as well. So here, let's see, here we have the roti jagung, fish curry. So of course this is all to enjoy with your, you got chicken curry, you got vegetable dalcha, and here we got the cendol and ice kacang. Wow, look at that. Oh, here we have hot barley. And here you have your satay, chicken and beef. Oh, smells good. And of course your satay sauce. Satay sauce looks good. Thick. Most important is thick and yummy. Here we have your rojak buah. So all you can do is just take what you want, put it into this mixing bowl, sauce in, peanut in, kacau. Oh, they also have the serbuk here. Where is the asam? And here you have your chicken rice. Sorry, alright, chicken rice. So you got your soup here. You have your sauce. And here you got it. Ooh, the braised egg. You got barbecue chicken and roast chicken, and of course you have your steamed rice, your fragrant steamed rice. Oh, look at that. Alright guys, so I hope I have not missed out anything. Oh yeah, the desserts. The most important part for me, desserts. Alright, so the desserts here, we got the pengat durian. Wow, pengat durian is the durian season, of course. Not to be missed. Oh, look at that. Ah, so good, so yummy. Of course, here is your dessert heaven here. So you have like the chocolate fountain, got like strawberry cheesecake, you got eclairs. Let's see, what is this? Cheesecake, chocolate cake, mochi, red velvet, blueberry cheesecake. Oh, look at that. I'm gonna go for this first. You got some butter cake, you got chocolate mousse, mango jelly, and cream caramel. And you have ice cream. Okay, here comes the tea master. If you come here for the buffet, the teh tarik is a must. Look at that. Ooh. Sedap best. Thank you. So this is your must drink teh tarik over here. especially prepared by the tea master. Yeah, so this is something that you don't really get elsewhere, and they're actually popular for their teh tarik. So here you also have your lime juice. So alright, so lunch and dinner complimentary hot beverages. They have coffee, tea, masala tea, as well as teh tarik. Alright guys, so yeah, so this, if you have not been here, so this is how Spice Brasserie looks like. Very cozy, very nice. Lots of food, lots of delicious food, I must say. You have Asian, you have international, you have so much to actually enjoy. So once again, this is some of the highlights that they actually have here. Plenty of food for you to enjoy. So this is it's halal certified and A for cleanliness. Alright guys, so let me just show you the promotion that they have. Alright, so these are all the ongoing promotions that they have for the buffets. So it's the classic Malaysian cuisine, Harvest Canton to Nyonya, and weekend roasted fish. Alright guys, so don't forget to place your bookings, reserve your tables, reserve your seats. Alright, and thank you so much to Light Hotel for having us, and thank you so much guys for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye bye.